Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel My Project Ideas. In this tutorial, we will see how to tag a commit on GitHub using VS Code. So let's get started by cloning a repository. I have a repository. Let's clone this. I have cloned my repository. Now let's do a small change in this repo. So this is the Android application repository. I will simply go ahead and change a file that is strings.xml. I will add this app. I will save it. Once I've saved, you see, I have these changes. Let's stage this change, give a commit message as test commit. Let's commit this and sync changes. The first step is done. I have cloned the repository. I have done some changes and I have pushed that change, committed that change to the GitHub. Now let's check. This was my GitHub. Currently, I had this was, let me refresh. So my commit is updated. This is my commit message and this is my commit B44B769. Let's go back to GitHub. What I will do is I will create a new tag. Let's name it as version 1.1.0. Enter. Give a message. This this is the version 1.1.0. So I've created a tag. We'll have to write git push and click on follow tags. Once this is done, let's go back. I have existing two tags, so I will refresh and I can see three tags. Okay, I have version 1.1.0 that is pushed and the commit is B44B769 because as soon as you do a commit and you follow up with a tag, that tag is connected or attached with that particular commit. So you don't have to attach it separately. This is one way to tag a commit from VS Code. You can also tag a commit using the terminal of VS Code. So let's do that. Let's do another change. Let's remove it and put it back. I will stage it again. I will put a message as test commit 2. Once I've done the change, we'll push or commit this change. Now a change is pushed. This is a latest commit and this is a commit ID. The second step to do it from is to from Git terminal. You can simply create a tag with the command git tag -a version 1.1.1 -m. Give it a message. This is really version 1.1.1. Enter. And then we need to push this tag. So we do again git push origin version 1.1.1. So this is pushed. Let's check it out. We have currently three tags. Now we have 4 tags. We have version 1.1.1 with commit ID 99C8A85. That is the latest commit ID. So these are two ways from VS Code that you can do. One is from the command VS Code itself, so you don't have to type in any manual commands in the terminal. The other one is using the GitHub terminal. Now there's another scenario where you might have to tag a particular commit where you will have to use a particular commit ID. So instead of doing a follow-up tagging of a commit, which is one after the other, if there's a scenario where you have to tag an older version of commit or a particular version of commit, then you will have to use commit ID. In that case, what we do is let's do a push again. Commit ID, commit message. Let's write it as commit 3. So suppose this is a version that I have pushed. Okay. Once it's committed, let's check out the version. We have test commit 3, and this is the commit ID. So to do a tagging on a particular commit ID, what you need to do is, or to explain it better, let's do another push. So we'll have two commit IDs and we'll do a tagging of a previous commit ID. Let's make it as new and save this. So this is another commit. We'll do it as test commit 4. Okay, so this is also committed. So we have total of 14 commits. Okay, so we have these two commits. What I want is not the latest one, but a previous version of commit. Okay, so I want to tag this particular commit ID. What you have to do is go to your terminal, type in git tag -a. Suppose I give it a version 1.1.2, and then you have to write the commit ID, that is 15F555B. We'll write it as 15F555B. Let's confirm 15F555B, correct. We'll give it a message tagging previous version. Hit enter, and then we'll have to push this. For pushing, the command is the same, git push origin version 1.1.2. Let's check it out. So this is our latest commit is E325501, and we have tagged our commit 15F555B. Let's check it out. Now we have 5 tags. CC version 1.1.2 is tagged to the commit ID 15F555B, not the latest one. So this is how you can tag a particular commit ID. This is the command. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you next time.